What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Michelle, and today I'm so excited. We're going to be playing around with some Colourpop. I got their brand new rock candy palette. I'm so excited to try this. So I got on their website and ordered their new palette. This thing is so pretty. I love it. I mean, I definitely could see using all of these colors. It's got 3 pressed glitters in here, a bunch of shimmers, and of course the mattes. So we're going to be playing around with this today. But when I got on Colourpop's website, they was having a sale, so I got suckered in buying 2 more palettes. First off, I got this little Cherry Crush palette. Let me take that off. This is what that one looks like. I like this one a lot, actually. This has like pink tones in this row right here. This row is more of your true reds, and then this row is going to be your berry shades. So super excited to try this one. You guys, I got this for $5.60. But when I got one there, they don't have it anymore, so I guess they discontinued it, which is sad, but I'm super happy I got it for, you know, $5 to try. And then I seen this one. This is the Malibu Barbie one. So of course I had to get it because this one just screams summertime. I cannot wait to use these pinks and blues and yellows and oranges. We're going to be able to create some fun looks with this palette. So I'm excited for this one. This one was like $15.60. Last time I checked, this one was still available. So if you can grab it, I would say grab it because it has a lot of fun colors in there for summertime. So I'm excited for that. But today we're going to be using this one. We're going to be using her today. I'm so excited. I cannot wait. Clip my hair back out my face. I think the first color I'm going to use is probably going to be Very Genius, maybe Crushed. Maybe I'm going to mix a little of the two and use that in my transition area. So I do have to say that this is my very first Colourpop palette, so I'm excited about it. This is the sister palette to the Stone Cold Fox palette. So the Rock Candy palette and the Stone Cold Fox palette are very similar. These matte shades are blending out so beautifully though. This palette was $34, and I did already have my lids primed, and I used the e.l.f. Lock-It Shadow Primer. So I think what I'm going to do is go in and add a little of this Erupt color right here in my transition. This one just has like a bit of a pink kind of tone to it. There's so many looks that you could create with this palette. I'm excited to use it. I really am. So I'm definitely going to be jumping into this color right here, which is the Silver Pressed Glitter, and it's called Ring of Fire. But I think first, before I do that, I'm going to use this color for my outer crease. I might go in with a little bit of the black too. But this shade is called Too Cold for You. I'm just gonna place this down on the outer part of my lid here. I wish that this palette had a mirror though. I do have some fallout on my face from these palettes. These colors are very pigmented and really creamy. They're blending out like a dream. Like I said, there is a bit of fallout, but that doesn't bother me. I haven't played with like silver colors in a while, so this is something different and nice for me. Usually I stick to the browns, but it's nice to try something different. That's why when I seen this palette, I was like, ooh, yes, I love that. Because I have a lot of palettes that are very warm toned, and this is a cool toned palette, so it's nice to get something that is a cool toned palette. Now I'm going to take a flat brush and go in with that pretty silver glitter. Oh my gosh. And I'm kind of just tapping it down. Wow. That is so pretty. It's applying very nicely to the lid. Sometimes pressed glitters don't want to like adhere to your lid, but this one seems to be doing an awesome job. Oh my gosh, look at how pretty that is. Did have a little bit of fallout. But nothing terrible. So I think I'm going to go back and use this black right here on the outer crease, just to darken up the outer crease a little bit. Oh. Just to blend out this glitter a little bit. I mean, these colors show up so well. I mean, wow. Colourpop is doing its thing. Now I'm going to go back with that first brush, not adding anything to it, just going to blend everything out. I mean, seriously, you guys, this is such a pretty palette. Ooh, that is so pretty. I love it. Okay, so for my bottom lash line, I'm going to go in with that dark black shade right here. It's like a black shade with a glitter in it. Ooh, I love it though. And I'm going to run that underneath of my lash line. Then I'm going to take this color right here, which is the crushed, and run right over top of that black, just to kind of blend it out and make it not so harsh. Okay, and now I'm going to use a little bit of the e.l.f. No Budge retractable eyeliner in my waterline. I think I'm going to take this shade right here, which is called Friction, and I'm going to use that to highlight my inner corner and my brow bone. I am so happy with this palette. Like I said, this is my first time using a Colourpop palette, so this is so nice quality. I mean, you get 30 different shades in this palette, so for $34, that's a really good price. I love all of these colors in here. I'm definitely going to be using this more, so don't be surprised when I come on here to do another video using this palette, because I want to use these pinks. Them pinks are very pretty. I love it. But for my complexion, I just used all my Physicians Formula stuff. I actually just did a video on that, so if you didn't get a chance to see that video, I will have that one linked down in the description box for you guys. And I will also link this eyeshadow palette for you guys, because I definitely think that it's worth checking out. I mean, I love it. I love the way that this look turned out. I'm going to jump off camera real quick and do my mascara, and I'll be right back. Okay, you guys, so this is the completed look. Let me know what you think down in the comments below. I think that it turned out so well. I wish you guys could see all the glitter. It looks so pretty. But I absolutely love this Rock Candy palette. I think it is a gorgeous palette. I cannot wait to use more colors out of here. Let me know down in the comments if you've used Colourpop shadows, if you love them or not. But I absolutely love this look that I came up with. A little bit of fallout, not much like I said, but overall, like, the quality of them was amazing. Like, they blended out no problem. The pressed glitter adhered to my lid with no problem. I didn't use any glitter glue or anything like that. So yeah, I'm super happy with this palette and I cannot wait to do another look with it. I'm excited. I just want to say thank you guys so much for watching my video. If you're not already subscribed, please make sure that you subscribe. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. And I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!